Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using one of the cutting boards and wall tiles, both from Dollar Tree. I start by taking the cutting board and marking off 3 3/4 inches on one of the sides. On those markings, I add some masking tape. And then on that larger sectioned off portion, I'm painting that with Plaster color chalk paint, as well as the sides and the back completely. Once that's dry, I'm taping off 2 sections on the front side. I overlap the pieces a little bit so the strips are longer, or wider I should say, and then painting the sections with barn red acrylic paint. And then remove that tape and dry that completely. And then I'm taking the wall tile and I'm cutting out that center section because I want that centered textured area to be on the top of the cutting board. I trim that section up and then I'm cutting off some more of it and then lining it up on the cutting board, just making some markings to cut the remainder of it. And then apply tacky glue to that unfinished portion. You can use hot glue. I just find that it sometimes melts the textured area and makes it look different. So I use tacky glue, place down the wall tile. Once that's fully adhered, I do trim up the sides, I just don't show it. And then paint that tile with English Navy acrylic paint. I get as close as I can with my craft sponge, and then I tape off the painted area below and finish painting that. I give that a couple coats and dry that completely. And then once that's dry, I'm taking a fan brush and that same plaster chalk paint I used before and dry brushing all of those textured areas. I have very minimal paint on the brush and I just go at like an angle so the side of the brush hits those textured areas. Next, I'm taking this tan color raffia I get from Amazon. I was originally going to use a white and red, but the colors were too bright, so I switched to this one. And I wrap it around where those 2 sections meet a few times. And then I am taking the pieces of the ends and tucking one under one way, one under the other way, so it kind of just pinches in that one spot where I'm knotting it. Knot it a couple times and trim up the tails. And then I'm taking the same raffia and I'm making a bow out of that with several loops. I just keep folding it back and forth until I have it the size that I want it. And then we'll cut a strip of the same raffia and tie that around the center. I knot it once to keep it nice and tight and then wrap one of those pieces around a few times in the center and then knot that and cut off the excess as well as the excess from the beginning and ends of the loops. I then hot glue that into place on top of the raffia I had wrapped around the cutting board. Next, I'm taking this rusty star that I got from Amazon, cutting down a small piece of cardboard to fit in the center so the hot glue will stick better. Add some hot glue to the back of the star, place down the cardboard, and then hot glue that to the center of the bow. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.